This is the story of Snehal Swarup Swamiji, who was operated for bilateral knee replacements by me. One in January 2017 and the other one in May 2022. He came recently for a checkup at our hospital and was very satisfied with the result he has got. We can see very comfortably Swamiji can walk, and he vouched that he is feeling very comfortable without a single amount of pain. He was counseled, his score of the knee joints was 45 out of 48. That suggests a successful and excellent outcome. So as Swamiji left the hospital premises, and as he always does, he doesn't forget to bless us. I wish our speedy recovery for all the patients suffering from knee pain, and for further treatment and advice you can visit AIIMS Hospital at any time. Thank you.